The replica of the 65-meter-long frigate, the Hermione, is the kind of warship seen in old paintings. Huge sails, an ornate bow, and sailors climbing the rigging. Aurore Le Vilain is with the mostly French volunteer crew of about 80 people and had to get over her fear of heights.
It's like a pendulum, you know? So you're going from one side to another and you still have to keep working.
Before she got on board, Alice Bruno had never sailed.
We have more than 200 different ropes, and each has a different use, and it's also physically difficult because everything is heavy.
Hermione's story begins with a friendship between George Washington, commander of the U.S. armies who later became president, and the Marquis de Lafayette, a young French aristocrat who was an army volunteer. Lafayette returned to France to get ships and arms to help the Americans. He sailed back on the Hermione to help fight the British. Roy Wulf, with a modern fife and drum group, recalls his history lesson.
The Americans were having a little trouble. Lafayette came over on this ship and they worked together to win the war.
The replica was put together over 17 years in France. Kon Gojnycz is impressed that the shipbuilders used many 18th century techniques.
The guns were actually recast at the same factory that made guns for the Hermione and the French Navy back in the 1770s.
The ship is as authentic as possible, says Bruno, Gravellier, the superintendent on board. But he says there are a few additions that make the ship safer, such as an engine.
In the place where we have showers and toilets now, they had 100 sheep alive.
What hasn't changed are the cramped quarters, says history student Adam Hodges-LeClair, one of the few Americans on the crew.
You have moments when people are very close, and potentially you need some space. At the same time, it's nice to have that support whenever you're doing a maneuver.
Miles Young, president of the Friends of the Hermione-Lafayette in America, hopes the beautiful replica will help forge more French-American friendships.
This is one of the symbolic journeys of freedom in history. Celebrates the birth of the United States as a free and independent nation.
He says the Freedom Frigate, as the Hermione is being called, will also highlight the importance of freedom around the world. Deborah Block, VOA News, Alexandria, Virginia.